Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aiman Afandi bin Julfikri. I am a student in the Netherlands Maritime University College Ceras. So right now, I am taking Bachelor in Maritime and Logistics, and today I will present my assignment on the application of Internet of Things in e-hailing service. This presentation will explain how IoT technologies is used in modern transportation platform, particularly in e-hailing service such as Grab, InDriver, and Maxims. In these presentations, I will discuss the concept of Internet of Things, the role of IoT in e-hailing service, the technologies involved, as well as the advantage and challenges of using these technologies in transportation systems. Okay, first, it is important to understand the concept of Internet of Things, also known as IoT. Internet of Things refers to a network of physical devices that are connected through the internet and are able to collect, exchange, and process data automatically. These devices can communicate with each other without direct human interactions. So, IoT technologies allow systems to monitor activities, collect information, and respond to change in the real time. Because of this capability, IoT has become an important technology in many industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and transportations. In transportations, IoT helps improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and provide better service to users. E-hailing is a modern transportation service that allows passengers to book a ride through mobile applications. Unlike traditional taxi service, e-hailing platforms use digital technology to connect passengers with drivers in real time. Users can request transportation service by entering their pickup locations and destination in the applications. The systems will then automatically identify the nearest available driver and assign the ride request. The passenger can track the driver's locations and monitor the journey through the applications. For examples of popular e-hailing platforms include Grab, InDriver, and Maxims, which are widely used in many sites. So, e-hailing service rely heavily on several IoT technologies to operate effectively. One of the most important technologies is GPS tracking. GPS tracking allows the systems to identify the real-time locations of both the passengers and the driver. Another key component is the mobile applications, which serves as the main interface for users to book rides, communicate with drivers, and make payments. Cloud computing is also used to store and process large amounts of data generated by the systems. This includes trips, information, drivers, locations, and user activity. Finally, real-time data processing ensure that the systems can respond quickly to ride requests, calculate, estimate arrival times, and determine the most efficient route for the journey. The operations of e-hailing service involves several steps that depends on IoT technology. First, the passenger opens the applications and enters the pickup location and destinations. The system then processes these informations and identifies available drivers nearby. Next, the ride request is sent to the nearest driver. Once the driver accepts the request, the system uses GPS to track the movement of the vehicles in real time. Both the passenger and the driver can see the route and current location through the applications. This allows the passenger to monitor the trip and estimate the arrival time. After the trip is completed, the payment process can be handled through the application, either using digital payments or other available payment methods. So, for these assignments, I personally use an e-hailing service through the application Grabs. First, I arrived at the pickup area to book a ride using the Grab application. I opened the Grab apps on my smartphone to request a ride to my destination. After opening the application, the system automatically detected my current location using the GPS sensor on my smartphone. Then I entered the destination that I want to go to in the applications. After entering the destination, the application showed the estimate distance, travel time, and estimate fare for the trip. Then I confirmed the booking request through the applications. The Grab system then searched for the nearest available driving using real-time GPS location data from drivers nearby. After a few seconds, a driver accepted my ride request. Once the driver accepted the request, the application displayed the driver information such as the driver names, car type, vehicle plate number, and estimate arrival time. I could also track the driver location in real time through the map in the application. When the driver arrived at my location, I entered the car and the driver started the trip using the Grab application. At this stage, the system started recording the trip data such as the travel, time, route, and distance. During the journey, the driver used the navigation system in the application to reach the destinations. The navigation system used GPS data and real-time traffic information. Finally, when we arrived at the destination, the driver ended the trip in the application. The Grab system then calculated the final fare based on the travel distance and times. After that, the passenger can make the payment and give the rating to the driver. Okay, IoT technology plays an important role in improving transportation service. One of the main benefits is the real-time vehicle tracking. This allows passengers to know the exact locations of the drivers and reduce uncertainty during the waiting time. IoT also enables traffic monitoring where the systems collect traffic data and recommends alternative routes when there is congestion. Another important benefit is route optimizations. By analyzing traffic conditions and route informations, the systems can determine the most efficient spot for the drivers. Overall, these features help improve the transportation efficiencies and provide better service qualities to users. There are several advantages of using IoT technology in e-hailing service. First, real-time tracking allows passengers to monitor the locations of the driver and the progress of the trips. This increases transparency and safety. Second, the booking process is very convenient because users can request transportation anytime using their smartphone. And the third, digital payment system makes transactions easier and reduces the need for cash payment. Additionally, IoT helps improve service efficiencies by quickly matching passengers with nearby drivers and optimizing travel routes. These advantages make a e-hailing service more convenient compared to traditional transportation systems. Despite the many benefits, there are also several challenges associated with IoT-based e-hailing service. One common issue is surge pricing, where fares increase during periods of high demand. This can sometimes make the service more expensive for passengers. Another issue is driver cancellations, where drivers may cancel the ride request after accepting it, which can inconvenience passengers. In some situations, GPS accuracy may also be affected by environmental factors such as tall building or weak signal coverage. Furthermore, e-hailing service depends heavily on internet connectivity. Without a stable internet connections, the applications may not function properly. To improve the effectiveness of IoT e-hailing service, several improvements can be considered. First, improve GPS accuracy. can help ensure the drivers' and passengers' locations are detected more precisely. Second, the driver's allocation systems called be enhanced so that passengers can be matched with drivers more quickly, reducing waiting time. Third, additional safety features could be introduced, such as real-time trip monitoring and emergency support options. Finally, companies could improve pricing strategies to reduce extreme surge pricing during peak hour. This improvement could enhance the overall user experience and increase customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Internet of Things technologies plays a significant role in the operations of modern e-hailing service. Through the integrations of GPS tracking, mobile applications called computing, and real-time data processing, IoT enables e-hailing platform to provide efficient and convenient transportations. Although there are still some challenges such as pricing fluctuations and technical limitations, IoT continues to improve the overall platforms of transportation systems. With further technological development, IoT is expected to play an even greater role in shaping the future of smart and connected transportation. That's all for me. Thank you.